right, Jeff, we've talked a little bit about illegal blocking and blocks below the waist and the free blocking zone. And we're going to watch a play here that illustrates some of that. So let me make it full screen here. And you're going to watch the two players that are circled here. We have a linebacker in white and a tight end, or looks like a left tackle possibly, in gold that is going to be blocking against him. Now notice the position of these players is critical to getting this call correct, and it's critical to the legality of this block. The player in white is not on his line of scrimmage. He is 1 yard off the line of scrimmage in a typical linebacker stance.
But if he was up,
if he were on the line of scrimmage,
even though he's in a 2-point stance.
Total difference. Big difference.
Okay.
Okay, the rules say that the only time we can deliver a blindside block or a block below the waist is if the player is on the line of scrimmage. So let's watch this unfold. He cuts him right there at the line of scrimmage, pretty close to when the snap happens, but nevertheless, there's another factor involved here. The rules say that in order to legally cut block, if you're on the line of scrimmage, it must be immediate. In other words, you must, in order to make this cut block legal by the tackle,
so the three others
immediate
on the line of scrimmage,
yes,
they're all in eligible positions to be cut.
Yes, they are. They could all be cut.
But the only one that's cut is the one that's off the line of scrimmage.
Off the line of scrimmage, and notice the delay between the time the ball is snapped. He takes 2 or 3 steps to his left and then cuts. And that is also illegal to do, even if the player in white was on the line of scrimmage. So watch the player in gold this time as we run this again. 2 steps to the right, a couple of little shuffle step, and then he goes down. So there's a small delay between the time the ball is snapped and he delivers the block, and that makes it illegal.
So it's not illegal to cut block.
Correct.
It's where you cut and what the positioning of the defensive player is.
The technique that you use, the timing of the block, and the position of the player being blocked.
Is it fair to say that if your offensive lineman takes more than 2 steps, they cannot engage below the waist?
It must be immediate.
Immediate.
Immediate with the snap. It must be his first action. If he stands up and then cuts, that's illegal. He doesn't even have to move his feet. If he stands up first and then goes down to cut, that's illegal. The cut must be from his initial position at the snap. It must be immediate. First thing that they do.